Hi everyone, welcome to this Getting Started tutorial. Today we're getting started with International Financial Statistics. In this short video, we'll go over how to access international financial statistics, what kind of information is available, and how to build a data query. Let's get started. Visit the Parrish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parrish Library homepage, click on the List of Business Databases link. This link will take you to the library's A to Z list of databases, filtered by business, finance, and economics. You'll find international financial statistics on this list. Please note that International Financial Statistics is a freely accessible resource. International Financial Statistics provides data gathered by the International Monetary Fund on exchange rates, money and banking, interest rates, prices, production, international transactions, government finance, and national accounts for most countries. This is the homepage for International Financial Statistics. From here you'll be able to see any information that has been newly added under the What's New headings. You can also find links to charts by country and links to related databases. Using these tabs, you can access data tables to find data by country or indicator, the Query Builder to build your own data query, and an archive of reports. Let's switch to the Query tab to begin building a data set. On the left, you'll find options for columns and rows. You can click on the plus signs to move the data points around. To edit each data point, click on the pencil icon next to the item you wish to edit. For example, if we click on the pencil icon next to time, we can build our own formula, choose from a list of years, or enter a date range. Let's say we're interested in the years from 2010 to 2020. Uncheck the remaining options, then click Apply and OK. Next, we'll select the countries we want data for by clicking on the pencil icon next to Country. Let's select Canada, Mexico, and United States. Then click Apply and OK. If you need to go back to see what selections you've made, click on the pencil icon and then click on the list icon in the upper right corner. Now we need to select an economic indicator. Let's type Consumer and then select Prices, Consumer Price Index, All Items Index. Then click Apply and OK. Once you've made your selections, you should see a table displaying data based on the parameters you chose. Keep in mind that data may not be available for certain selections. You can change how to view the data using the options located at the top of the table. For example, let's change the style of the graph to a column graph and change the color palette. You also have the option to change the background, title, and whether or not to include a legend. For export options, click on the Export button to select the type of file you'd like to export. To print, click on the gear icon in the upper right corner. Now you know how to access international financial statistics, what kind of information is available, and how to build a data query. If you have any questions, please contact the Parrish Library at parlib@purdue.edu. Thanks for watching.